Brian's cookie-cutter entranceway.
Basically, it all kind of begins with having a good overview of the space. In this case, I saw lots of elements of Buddha and Asian influences and the streamline of that Asian influence.
Have you painted before?
I have not.
Well, it's fortunate for you that this type of paint job that we're going to be doing, you can never make a mistake.
Well, there's not much to be said for the way the common area looked a few days ago.
Ah, Jeffrey, do you have some ideas for this tropical paradise?
We're working on it.
So is there any way we can do something like this out here?
Absolutely. I mean, you know, using some tongue and groove plywood in 4x8 sheets, we can create a footprint in this area. Make it 8x8, and that way it gives a base rather than not sitting on concrete.
Those brushes scare me.
Don't be scared by the brushes.
What do you do with that?
This actual brush is a fun little toy to play with, and we'll see how it plays out. You know, it's basically a chambray brush that gives texture to the wall. Really get it nice and thick so we don't have to go over it again with a second coat down below.
Generous strokes, generous.
Generous, be generous. You know, when I got this paint, it was called Hulk Green.
Really?
No. They always name it like, you know, these really romantic names, like Evergreen Mist, or Fun in the Grass. We have our gloves on, we're ready to go. Girls, where's your gloves?
Jeff and the ladies seem to be having fun right off the bat, even while emptying the truck.
Who needs the gym? All you need is some exotic stones and you're good to go. Let me show you these rocks.
The first thing they'll do is attack the floor.
My best decision was bringing in Jeffrey, a design consultant, because we really needed help getting our ideas and Debbie's ideas and Michelle's great ideas into action. And I think that we had some ideas and plans, but actually making them happen is where Jeffrey has been great.
We're gonna put the sand in the pot, and 3 of them are gonna come out of here.
Boo! Duh.
Jeffrey.
Why?
You like the slaw?
Yeah, I like it. It's like Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Just wait.
Open your eyes.
Oh my God, I love it.
Isn't that crazy?